Looking for a budget 4-door mini EV na may luxury features? Well, this is the Kayee EQT04. The Kayee EQT04 comes with 40 kilowatt motor and 110 Newton meters of torque with a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour. The battery is 28.08 kilowatt hour for the 300 kilometers variant and 39.82 kilowatt hour naman for the 400 kilometers version. Imagine, meron kang 360 camera, keyless entry, leather seats, and spacious cabin. This is a compact electric car na perfect para sa city driving, lalo na sa heavy traffic at tight parking situation. Easy to drive, very smooth sa kalsada, at very practical sa daily use, mapa-commute, errands, or short city trips. Ang maganda dito, small EV lang siya, pero loaded sa features. At sa loob ng cabin, meron siyang modern digital feel, smart controls, at user-friendly interior setup na bagay sa everyday driving. Available na ngayon sa EV Supreme itong electric vehicle na ito, the Kayee EQT04, and meron itong dalawang variant, the 300 and 400 kilometers variant. So para sa base variant niya, 868 ang kanyang presyo, and for the top of the line, 958 yung kanyang presyo. So again, meron silang cash discount if cash basis mong bibili. Kung naghahanap ka ng installment, meron silang BDO and BPI for easier ownership. So kung naghahanap ka ng simple, practical na mini EV, this is the Kayee EQT04. Visit EV Supreme at E. Rodriguez, Quezon City and test drive this unit. Again, this is Mark and you're watching EV Channel PH. Stay charged. Drive this electric.